People often say that to know where you're going, you need to know where you've been. Today, we're taking a trip back to some old school wisdom. There's an old saying that mostly everybody knows: a penny saved is a penny earned. While it sounds simple, this old school wisdom is actually the foundation of every financial journey. You see, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. We can get so focused on big, complicated investment strategies that we forget the basics. Before you can become a big rock star investor like maybe Graham Stephan, you have to be a rock star saver. Start by cutting out one small, unnecessary expense this week. Maybe it's that daily coffee run or a streaming service you don't use anymore. Small changes lead to big results. What's one old school money tip that your parents or grandparents or friends or coworkers have taught you? Let's get some engagement going and just share it for me in the comments below. I sure would appreciate it. One thing I wanted to add to this script right here, this little quick take script, is it's so true that it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. For me in my own life, I make very little. I don't really make, I'm not a high earner, but compared to my coworkers, I have so much more money than everyone that I work with, and most of them make more money than they make and earn every other week, a whole lot more money than me. But they also live paycheck to paycheck, where I don't, and I have the ability and the freedom to get anything I want. For the most part, within reason, if I wanted to buy something, I could buy it, because I save at least half of my paycheck every single check, because of course, side hustles and other things that I like to think that I teach on my channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of it. Please leave me a comment on any kind of old school wisdom that you might know that could help the viewers learn something. Thank you. I'm praying for you. I love you. Have a great day.